Hi guys! Today I'm using the Alva Maestro pan to make eggs. I really like the white cooking surface and low sides. I'm gonna add just a little butter. Eggs cooks nicely and don't stick. The low sides make it easy to flip and serve. The pan feels very lightweight and balanced. I like it. I also made pancakes already. It was really good experience also. So as you can see, it was very easy to cook eggs on this pan, non-sticky, and after it's cooled down, it's very easy to wash actually. I prefer to wash it just in my sink. I don't use dishwasher for this particular pan. And I'm gonna show you the result here. Here you go. Also, you can use this pan for any other meals like pancakes, crepes. So I highly recommend this product. Get it today on Amazon.